Okay, so I'm really triggered right now because Adopt Me won't load, and also, okay, this is a total joke. Adopt Me, you're the best, but I have a joke. Now, this is from TikTok. It's a meme. It's gonna sound ridiculous. Hey, got $1? Oh, you don't? Look in your purse. I see it. Give it. Give me your $1. Give me your $1. That is what Adopt Me is doing today. And I just spent my $2K in cash on fairy wings to make Fairy Cat. No one cares. Thank you for that introduction, child. Anyways, yeah, hi Saffies. It's me. Probably didn't need to hear that because you hear that in every video. Also, don't forget to notification bell and flamenco. Okay, anyways. Also, face reveal coming up when we get 40 subscribers. Or more. Me looking for my $1 back so I can buy monkeys for a video. Okay, I'm really worried that the better version monkeys, no offense to any monkeys out there, to get the golden monkey, I suspect you're gonna have to spend Robux, and I only have 38 Robux. Does monotone voice. That sucks. That really sucks. Okay, anyways. Load. Load. Like, just load. There's no reason for you to do this. Like, you're gonna shut down my PC? Or what? I don't care about the Spring Festival. The Spring Festival. That was like 2 weeks ago. Go away. That was like that was like 3 months ago. That was like before quarantine started. Or am I just really stupid? I can't remember. Whatever, I don't care. Anyways. Yeah. Also, sorry if I always go late, like get a really late start to like making neons, but at least my PC. Oh, okay. So I don't have like a proper gaming PC. It is literally just one of those PCs. Oh my god. What? Guys! Major network breakdown at the worst boyfriend ever. Yeah, I was watching Sniper Wolf. Okay. You almost fully charged. Thanks, child. Anyways, sorry guys, that was my brother bringing me my phone because it was flipping dead. And now it's charged. Also proof that I only have 38 Robux. Oh my god. This is gonna be a challenge on its own. Like, I hope it better not be pay to win, okay? If it's pay to win, I'm gonna beat you. In a race. No demonetization, even though I'm not even monetized in the first place. Oh wait, that's right. YouTube took away all ability to get monetized if you're a kid's channel. Yeah, thanks, YouTube. Awesome. Thanks. Wow. It's an avocado. Thanks. Not really, though. You're making my eyes hurt. Come on. Let me interview these monkeys. The jungle is waiting for you, sister. You know what? You ain't just the clown. Or the elephant. You're the whole dang circus. Okay, honey. Okay, here. Hello? Did my eyes did my eyes flash before me? Yeah, my life is flashing before my eyes, guys. Monkey Fairgrounds. First, visit 6 new monkey pets from boxes, fairground themed items. Oh my god. Oh my flipping god. And it even has a circus card at the side. Okay. Yay. Oh my god. Oh my god. I haven't been able to do that in so long. I'm so close to the starfish and the golden egg. Yay. I'm actually gonna freak out. Also, I don't know what golden pet I want. I don't want the griffin though. I kind of hope I get the dragon or the unicorn. I don't know which one, because I love dragons. Oh my god. I'm getting like creepy circus piggy vibes from this. Oh my god. What? Premium monkey box. How much does a premium monkey box cost? You actually suck. Goodbye. Oh my god. Bye monkey box. Wait. 600. Okay, but let's be real. Can I get all? Oh my god, what? What is this about? Here. What? Monkeys. That's literally all we're gonna get this video. I'm too poor for this update that I can't even show Monkey King. What? Whoa! Equip a regular monkey you want to transform? That's so cool. Oh my god, I can't wait. I'm gonna try to do that later. See, I feel like watching Jeremy's video, I know what's going on. You gotta get all the accessories and then put them on the monkey, and then you transform the monkey. Let's save up for a monkey now, guys, because I'm really flipping poor. Yeah. Or wait. Can I buy? Stop. My mouse left the chat. Put F in the chat for me. F in chat. Oh. Yay. My life is okay. Yay. Okay. You know what? First quest is hatching this flipping egg. Oh my god. We glitched out of the main map. Oh no, thank goodness. Everybody already has monkeys and stuff. I see an albino monkey. I see a monkey with a bucket hat. I'm sad I didn't get the bucket hat. It really sucks. Bucket hat. So yeah, I'm pretty sure you just buy monkey boxes. It's kind of like the rats, I guess. And if you get all the accessories for whatever particular monkey, then you can like transform it or something. I'm not sure. What even is the rarity of a monkey? Like, I have so many questions for this update. Because I think you know what? Maybe it doesn't suck. Maybe I'm wrong. Cracked egg. Give me my cracked egg. Thank you. Okay. God. Oh my god. You know what? Last time we got a dragon from you, well, from your brother-in, you better give me something good, sister. Or brother, whatever. 2 bucket hats. I want bucket hat. Gosh. Sucks. Buy 3 lemonade to get 2 monkeys. I feel like she's scamming, but I'm gonna try it. Try it. Here, I'm gonna say I will. I will. I will. More monkeys. I will. But I need. I'll buy the. She was scamming. She was scamming. She sucks. Oh my god. What? I don't know. Here, I want to go back in. Toy monkey. Whoa, can't you like Yankee with no brim? Yankee with brim or Yankee with no brim is my question. Business monkey. Got a tie around your head, sir. I think you gotta be a bit more organized, kid. Ninja monkey. I love the hat. It is actually really fancy. Reminds me of cosplay. Yay! Hi! Hi! I haven't spelt buy properly in a long time. Also. Okay. My cracked egg. Need something, please. We're not even going to be able to get a monkey in this video. And this video is for the purpose of getting a monkey to showcase. What? Like, all the other YouTubers literally already got, like, every single monkey. And I'm just sitting here saving for one. I'm literally gonna die. Like, I can't even showcase the monkey itself. Yeah. I expect you're typing something really important. What is going on here? Okay. Yeah. Okay then. Thanks. Ugh. Okay. What? Oh. I want it. I want it. Okay. I'm gonna try it. Eee! I want the gold one. I'll just take off all the items. Not gonna lie, they could be looking better. We can use this for role plays. Sis. I'm sorry I didn't do any tea about this. I wasn't thinking. So yeah, like, just whatever. I don't care what you have to say. Haha. Get owned. Anyways, guys, I think I'm gonna end it off here. In the next video, I'll be buying a bunch of monkeys and showcasing them. Anyways, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, and subscribe. But most importantly, turn on the notification bell so you never miss a video. Anyways, thanks for watching. Goodbye, bye, Saffies!